Good morning, everybody. Debbie Hernandez here at the Arrowhead Ranch Home Depot in Glendale. And earlier this year, when I was at the National Hardware Show in Las Vegas, I found an awesome product that I'd like to introduce to you. It's the Yard Lock Gate Latch. Now, it's available online at homedepot.com only right now, but I want to show you what it is. It's a gate lock and latch, so it does both, and the benefits of it are amazing. It's easy to install, it's keyless, it's very secure, very easy to use, and you can get to it two ways, but on the other side it's very safe. So this is what you get in the package. It's the Yard Lock, and then you get a cover and the latch with it and all the directions. And this is what you're going to do. First, you're going to attach the latch on the back, and this looks like your typical latch, but it's not. After that, you're going to drill a 3/8 inch hole through the wood. This works on wood and vinyl gates. 3/8 inch hole at an angle, so you get a nice triangle type shape. That allows this cable to work. So how it works is you put the lock on the front, and then when you open the lock, like so, it pulls a cable which opens the latch on the back. So there's no electronics and no key. So what we're going to do is we're going to secure this right here with 4 screws on the front. So once you get all your screws in, you have your cable here. You pull this vinyl box right here to set your combination. 0000 is what it comes from the factory. Once you have it on, you set your lock, pull this open, it pulls the cable, pulls the latch. After you have your latch on, you're going to attach the safety cover. Now this safety cover goes right above the latch, so nobody can reach over the top of the gate and open the latch. There's no way to get there, but you can still open it from right underneath here on the back. We have all of the directions. I'm going to have it all on my Home Depot Debbie Facebook page and Instagram. Again, it's from Yard Lock. It's an awesome lock, keyless, easy to install, and you're going to love it. Available on homedepot.com. Have a great day, everybody.